Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today in this video we are going to discuss about like label tags, radio button, checkbox, and select drop down method, and one more is like a area of selections or text area. Okay, before starting today's video, we'll just brief out the things like whatever we discussed yesterday. Okay, yesterday we just discussed about HTML forms. In that HTML forms, we seen like what is HTML forms and what is like a from tag, and we seen like what is get method and like what is post method, and yesterday even we seen like a input tag also, and we executed this program also like what is input tags and how it is working or something. Fine, hopefully you have seen like yesterday's recorded video if you missed any live session or something. Okay, today's in this like live session we are going to discuss about like label tags. Fine. Like yesterday earlier, like I told that label tags is act like a labels. Basically, it will give the names and caption for our like whatever the things we will write in the program or something. Fine. We'll just see here. You can see the examples also, like what is label or something. And yeah, we'll just write the label tag in the VS Code, and we'll try to execute some other code here. Fine. We'll just write the angular bracket, and we'll just write the label. Okay, we have just written the label type, and we should write the type here for sorry, actually we need to write here for and is equal to, and yeah, under here like we'll just write a username. We'll just write here username, and before writing here username, in the input we need to like write here ID also. We should create here ID. I just tell what is ID and what how we should create this ID and all the stuff. Fine. Here first we'll write the ID is equal to username. Fine. First we'll write here ID is equal to username, and I'll execute. I'll tell you everything. Fine. We have written ID is equal to username, and we'll just write here in the label. We'll write the ID for is equal to. Of course, we'll write here username here also. Fine. Here we have written the username, and we'll just close this bracket or something. Fine. Angular bracket will close. Okay. Now the label came. Okay. Now we'll just understand like what is this ID or something. Give me a while. I'll just change here like a name or something. Okay, fine. Now we'll just understand like what is this ID or something. Yeah, we just created a ID because like whenever you will be like typing in the forms or something. Sometimes like if you have one user ID means some other people also like not be having your same username or something. In the Insta also seen like your username is there, no, it is not used by anyone else if you are already took that username means like Aadhaar card number you can say. In Aadhaar card also like whatever the sequence of number you have in your Aadhaar card, the same sequence or same number won't be appearing in some other like Aadhaar card or something. It is like for you only, for that only we have created the ID. ID is equal to username or something. I think like all of you like now understood or something. And yeah, in the label tag inside this like label opening tag, and inside this closing tag here inside we'll write a content like yeah, we'll just write here enter your username or something. Fine, we'll write here like enter your username. Enter your username. Fine. Here we have written here enter your username or something, and yeah, we'll do some changes if required in the program or something. Fine, we'll just try to execute this program as of now, and we'll see like what is our output or something. Just we are executing this program now. We'll see. And yeah, again once I'll tell that label is there, no label basically it will give the caption. You can see for our program or for our like what we tell for, it is giving that it is giving the name or like a label or something caption. It is giving you if we can tell, it is telling enter your username or something. Here you can enter your like whatever the name is there, no username. So here you can enter. And not only like username, yeah, again one more thing you can see. Now that username is, no, it is coming side by side. You can see it is coming side by side, right? If you want to make this username like enter your username, this stuff is there. If you want to take it like inside this block or something, you can do that by using the br tag also. Br tag is nothing but it's like a block tag. It is like a break tag. Yeah, instead of using that break tag, you can use the div also. What we tell like div. What actually this div is like, before that I'll just write here div or something. Fine. Just give me a while here. I'll just write here div, and I'll tell what is div also. Div. Fine. We'll just close the stuff, and yeah, I'll just copy this also. I'll just cut it, and I'll just paste after the stuff. Just give me a while. After this input tag, we need to click the we need to paste this one. I'll just tell what is this div tag or something. Div is nothing but it's like a block element. What is it? You know, it's like a block element. and it will give the now it will give the space, like whatever the like labels and input is, then it will give space for us. Instead of div also, you can use the break tag, but I won't prefer you like using the break tag as of now, because later it may like unnecessarily it will cause a problem for us. We'll just execute this program again and we'll see what may be the output or something. Now also like okay, actually it will give only space, I guess. Fine, it will only give a space. Fine, we'll just go for this again. Yeah, again one more thingy, like even you can like whatever it is there, no, like even not instead of like writing only username or something, you can ask like your gender also, like what is your gender or something. Fine, for that also we'll write this div only, and we'll enter like yeah, again one more thing, don't get confused that previously I told that like if we will use this div for like taking this text up above this file name or something, and don't be like confused or something. Div is like used for only like giving the space for like or like things, whatever it is, you know, for giving the space we will use. That's it. And yeah, here one more like input tag we'll use, and we'll just try to write something. Yeah, we'll just use this again, label is equal to label for, and yeah is equal to will write, and here we'll write a mail. Yeah, basically now we are asking the people that your gender, what is their gender or something. Fine. Here only like we'll come across that radio also. Here once I'll go through the slides also. Here, yeah, this is all about the label tags we understood. And now we'll go for the radio button. What is the radio button or something? For that, I'm just writing the code here. Under this div only we are writing the code here. Now we'll just close this stuff. We'll close and we'll write here mail. Right. We have written here mail, and yeah, again in the input tag. Now we'll come for the input tag. Just give me a while. Yeah, here we'll just write an input type. We'll go with the type, and here we'll give the is equal to, and here we'll write a radio. Radio is nothing but we are using the for radio tag we are using, and here we'll write id. Id is equal to female, we'll write. Fine. Here id is equal to female, we'll write, and name is equal to we'll write gender. We are written here name is equal to gender or something. Yeah, this we'll just remove, and yeah, after that we'll just write a value, and value is equal to we'll just write a female. Fine, we have written here like value is equal to female, and we'll close this input tag or something. Fine. Yeah, again one more label we'll write for the female also, right? One more we'll write here label for female. One label is for a male, and another label will write for the female also. And for if you want to like add one more thingy others, you can add that also. No problem. If you add like others also, fine. Yeah. Now we have written the female, and inside this like we should write the content, right? Here we'll write a female. Fine. We have written the female, and yeah. Now we'll just close this like a from tag or something. For tag, right? Okay. Actually, we missed here like a for tag. We should write here also. Okay, no problem, no rule. Fine. Yeah, now we should execute this program here. We'll see. Like we have written like about gender. We'll see like what is the output or something. Yeah, now you can see like it is showing the female or male. Now you can see the radio button also. Uh, Radio button is nothing but we are clicking the options. That's it. You can see here like program properly. Fine. Once we'll execute this program again. Okay, now you can see like it is showing the male and female. It is called a radio box. Again, we'll go with a PPT slide or something. You can see here. Okay, we'll just go with the label tag, and I'll just explain you again about this what with like radio button or something. Fine. Okay, label tag is nothing but it will provide a caption or name for our like whatever the program we are writing the code. And Coming for this radio button is actually used for like selecting the if you have multiple option, in that multiple option if you want to choose only one among them, that time we'll use this radio button or something, fine. Before that we won't use like a radio button. If you have like multiple option, in that multiple option if you want to select only one stuff, that time we'll use that radio button, that's it. Before that we won't use that radio button. And once again we'll go with that program, and I'll just explain there also, like whatever the program we are writing, fine. Now just give me a while. I'll go with this only. Fine. I think yeah, this is all about this radio. What we tell like a radio tag or something. Fine. Once we'll go with stuff again. We have written this and okay, fine, fine. Just give me a while. We'll make sure that everything we have written it is correct or wrong. Fine. Okay. Actually, we need to do on some changes, I guess. Fine. You can see now if I execute this program, you're getting only in front of this female only, you're getting this radio button. Now you if I want to in front of male also, if I want like radio button, I'll just what I'll do, I'll just copy this what we tell input tag as it is, and I'll just paste over like a div, and instead of like female I'll just try to make here male. We'll see. Fine. And here also in the value also will change this stuff. Now we'll try to execute this program. Okay, now you can see in front of male also we are getting this radio button. You can choose like either male or female. I'm telling again like what is like a radio button or something. Radio button is nothing but whenever you get a multiple option, among that one option if you want to choose anything you can do the stuff. And yeah, for others also we can do the changes. Here only we'll do the changes in this VS Code only. Fine, here only we'll write the stuff. For others, if like there is a like third gender also, you can do that also. Fine, we have written here others. In the value also we'll do the changes. Fine, we have written here others, and yeah, this label also will copy. We'll just copy this label also. Fine, we'll just enter the label here, and yeah, here also we'll do some changes. Instead of female, we'll write others. Fine, we'll just try to execute this program again. Okay, now we got a three option. One is male. Either you can choose the female. If it is the case, means you can choose the others also. And yeah, this is all about for the radio button. You're getting the radio button. We are selecting something, no, among the three things we are selecting one among them. This is called a radio button. And in the most of the Google forms, whenever you are filling the feedback for your teachers, there you say like good, excellent, or better or something. In the multiple aspects we'll select one among them. That is nothing but a radio button. Fine. Now we'll go with the checkbox. Like what is this checkbox or something? Sometimes we should fill like we should select a multiple options, right? Sometimes we'll be getting like what is your hobbies or something. You can see in the PPT. You can clearly see it. For example, select your hobbies. It is like reading a book, playing a cricket, listening to the music, and coding. You have some multiple options here. Instead of like in this all like multiple options, you can just select whatever your hobbies are there or something. It is nothing but like whenever you have multiple options, in that multiple options you can choose like whatever it is there, like whatever your interest is there or something. That time you'll use this checkbox. Now we'll see like how to like implement the checkbox in our website or something. Fine. Before that we'll just create a one more div options. One more stuff we'll just create, and yeah, here we'll just write a next input tag or something. Fine. We'll just use again input tag, input what would input type. Now we have written input type, and here we'll write a checkbox or something. Fine. Okay, now it is showing here checkbox. We'll just write a checkbox, and here we'll create ID. ID is equal to yeah. We'll just write a subscribe or something. Fine. We'll just write a subscribe. Fine, we have written here subscribe, and yeah, one more thingy, we just missed out here. You should enter the name also. Name is equal to like subscribe. We should write this only again. Whatever your like ID is there, no, it should be under the name only. Like no problem if you give some other ID else instead of name or something. For as of our convenience, we'll write a name only as a user ID or something. As of now, you can take the value also. Fine, we have written the value, and in the middle we'll write a yes, and we'll close the stuff. And yeah, now we'll just try to create a one more like a what with a label. We have created a label for, and we'll use equal to, and in here we'll write a subscribe. For the label we have creating the subscribe, like for the subscribe we are creating the label now. And yeah, now we should write the content, right? Now here we'll write a what we tell. Now we'll close this like label, like a label tag, input label tag, and like we'll just here we have written like a closing label tag or something. Fine, in between you should write a element. I'll just write here like subscribe to, we'll just write here subscribe to NapPy. Yeah, still if you didn't subscribe for a YouTube channel, just do subscribe, and hit the like bell icon also for getting the notification or something. Fine, this is all about for the label tag we have written here, and we'll just try to execute this program. This is nothing but a checkbox. Okay, now we can see like did you subscribe for our like NapPy YouTube channel? If it is yes means just click here. Fine, that's it. You can see now we are getting the checkbox, right? Before it was not there. Like we have written here like if you subscribe or like a YouTube channel, just click here like we are subscribed, and this is all about for the checkbox. In the checkbox we are getting, we are just taking the options like whatever we want or something. Fine, and no matter you can give like some other like stuff also instead of this checkbox or something. You can add like some multiple what would multiple examples also. Subscribe to Napa is there. You can use like some other examples also. Subscribe for like Mr. Beast, subscribe for like MythPad, subscribe for like Techno Gamers, and yeah, most of the YouTube channel you can do. Not only for a YouTube channel only, or else you can take any like fruit, any hobbies or something. And you can see in the PPT also we have written an example also. And this is a syntax. First we need to give the input tag, and then we should like give the names and values, and IDs like must and should. You should give the ID, and this is whole code like how to execute or something. And like whatever the PPT is there, no, we'll just upload this PPT in our like a what we tell our in website, NapPy website. Later also you can go through it. Like yesterday also we didn't yesterday's class like notes we didn't upload it still, and yesterday's and today's all like in combine we'll upload in the NapPy website. Like do check out that also. Fine, this is all about for the radio button. Now we'll go with the checkbox also we have completed. Now we will see that what to tell, select drop down. Yeah, this is very important. I'm telling this is very important, like a select drop down. And yeah, before going to the select drop down method, I'll just explain briefly about this stuff. And yeah, whenever like we'll just take an example, like most of you have written JEE and NEET examinations, right? Whenever we are writing like JEE and NEET application, we gone through like one option called nationality or choose your country or something. That time we came across like many countries list. We can see in the example on the slide also. Fine, this is the example in the slide. You can see here like we are given with some different country choice. In that we need to choose any one among all the stuff. That time we'll use this select drop down method. Like we'll be having some multiple options. Among that only we should select one. That time we'll use that select drop down method, and this is the syntax, and we'll just try to execute one code of that also. Fine, yeah, here only we'll just write this stuff again, and yeah, one more div we will create. Fine, under this we'll write a select. We have written select name is equal to, we'll just write a fruit option or something, right? Now we'll just go with the fruits. Fine, now we'll just create options also. Okay, option value also will give values. Value is equal to, and yeah, here we'll just write a like some fruit, bunch of fruits names here. Like we have written here apple. No matter if you want, you can write the country names also. No need to write only like apple or fruits name. Like as your wish, you can create examples. Yeah, under this like two elements like opening and closing tag, we'll just write our content like apple. Fine, we have written the apple, and yeah, the same stuff we'll just copy and we'll just try to execute. Fine, we have just copied this stuff. We'll just create some more like examples. Yeah, we'll just remove like in the we'll just remove all the stuff. Fine. Here we'll write some different like fruit name. Okay, here we have written banana, and fine. Now we'll write for third option. Here we can give any name, like we'll give cherry. Fine. Now we have written this like what we tell select tag method, select drop down. You can see this is a select drop down, and this is the code of the select drop down. We'll just try to execute this program also. Okay, now you can see like it is select drop down method or something. You can see in all this stuff we are getting like we have apple, we have banana, and we have cherry. In this all those options you can select only one. It is called a select drop down method or something. This is the one tag, one of the tag in the forms. Yeah, I told the previous example I took of the NEET examination, right? When you're applying for the NEET examination, any government examination, you'll get this option. Although, like sometimes in any survey application or something, it will ask for the nationality and it will ask what state you will belong for. That time you'll get all the like states of our India like options. You just select a Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, like whatever the region you just belong to. Fine. This is all about like what we tell select drop down method. Fine. And today's last aspects we are going to just discuss, that is nothing but a text what we tell text area. Text area is nothing but it is like a long space where you are writing like whatever the things inside your brain or something. Just kidding. Like select area, like area of text is your text area. It is nothing but it is the space. You can see in the example here, you can see we have written like your feedback. And yeah, many times we are giving the feedbacks for our like lecturers in our universities, right? They will upload a Google Sheets or something. In that Google Sheets we'll get a your feedback, and they'll just leave the space. In this space we'll just enter like whatever the feedbacks inside our mind or something. Sometimes there will be a restriction of only 50 words, 1000 words, 500 words or something. Among that we'll just enter this stuff. Okay, this is nothing but a area of like a text area or something. Yeah. If you want means you can just create this stuff also. We'll just create one more stuff here. Fine. Okay. Now you want means we'll just execute this program also. We'll just came for this VS Code, and again we'll just create a one more div, and inside that we'll just put a label or something. We just put a label, yeah, label for, and we'll just hit a is equal to, and under this we'll write. Okay, fine. Under this stuff we'll write here like a comment or something. We'll just write here like a what we call comment, and yeah, here we'll just close the stuff. Fine. Here we'll just close the stuff label, and here we'll just write here like enter your comment. Enter your comment. Fine. Fine. Enter your comment. Enter your comment. Nothing but it's like a feedback or something, or like whatever it is there in your mind, you can just give that stuff. And here we'll use that what we call text area like a tag. For the text area tag, you can use anything like whatever it is there. Fine. I just written here like text area, and inside here we'll write a name. Name is equal to, we should use this comment only. We are using the comment. Fine. We should write here like rows and columns also, because in this areas we should write here rows and columns also. We'll just say write rows. Rows is equal to yeah, like whatever like desired rows if you want means you can give. I just give here four, and for column we should use like COLS. COLS stands for nothing but a columns. And here we'll just write a 50 or something, like whatever like in your mind you can just give. I'll just give you a 50 or something, and yeah, I'll just close this stuff. Fine. This is all about the stuff, and here if you want means you can. Yeah, this is all about for the stuff. Now we'll just try to execute this program. Like we'll see whatever the things we'll get. We'll just execute this program. Okay. Now you can see like it give us like a free like space or something. You can just type anything here and you can do stuff. Fine. This is all called like a rows. We have give like previously 4 rows, like a 4 rows only we are getting. If you want like more, you can give more. Like we'll just do some changes. Instead of 4, we'll just give like a some 10 or something. Fine. We have given the some 10 and we'll just execute this program. Okay, fine. Now we got a big space, like 10 rows we can write aram se. Fine. Okay, and again one more thing you can see, like it is telling enter your comment. It is like a downside, right? It's not looking very good also, and it is like looking irregular or something. For that, you can use a break tag also. If you use this break tag, what will happen means this comment will be stayed upside, and this whole box will come downside. And you here also you can see enter your username is there. No, here also you can do that. Use this break tag, but usually I don't suggest you use that break tag. Just we'll see. We'll try to execute this program using the break tag. We'll see. Fine. Yeah, that 10 is won't be like looking good. We'll just come back for the 4 itself. Yeah, for if you want to use like that break tag now, after this label only you should use that break tag. For the break tag, we have this first we need to write the angular bracket and br. That's it, and we should close this stuff. And again I'm telling like in the HTML only like we have the what we tell few tags which don't have opening and closing tag. It have only one common tag, that is like br. Like br tag is, it don't have any like closing tag and opening tag or something. You can say what about this like what you tell like this body is, body have like a input tag and has also have closing tag, and html also have opening tag and closing tag, and you can see this option also. This option select this all stuff have like opening tag and closing tag, but br don't have any like opening tag or closing tag. We'll just execute this program again and we'll see whatever happens, like we'll see. Wait for the output now. Okay, fine. Now the code has been executed successfully. Now you can see enter your code is there. No, it is above the that box, like whatever the box is there, no, it is above the box. You can see. Like in the previous program, it is like downside. You can see it is a beside of that box. It is not looking properly, right? Now what we done? We just took this part upside. That's it. Now you can see it is coming upside. For this, enter your name is username is 0. For this also we'll see like whether we can apply this stuff or not. We'll see. Okay, now we came for like a previous stuff like a first program. We'll just write here like br. Fine. We'll just execute this program again. Fine. Now you can see like it is looking properly, right? Enter your username. Previously, you can see this first stuff is, enter your username. It is also beside. What we done? We just took it above the that box or something. Fine. You can see now it is like very properly. Now whatever the stuff is there, you can just write like it is link for enter your like username. I'll just write nap, and I'm the male, like you can write your gender, like subscribe. Did you subscribe for or like NapPy? Yes, obviously we have subscribed. And what is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is apple. I just keep and enter your comment like whatever you want. Like I'll just write here like I have what to tell. I'm learning. We'll just use something. I am learning HTML now. Fine. Like whatever it is there, like whatever you want, you can just type here like comment or something. Fine. This is all about like a forms we have discussed like from yesterday. We have just started like this forms, and this is the end of the forms HTML. We'll just quickly go with all slash. Yeah, like we'll just compile like yesterday's video and today's video, and I'll just do the output. Fine. Like in this yesterday's session and today's session, we just covered that HTML forms, complete HTML forms. I won't tell, but like whatever like we want to like require for the web development, that much we have covered. And first we seen like what are the forms, and like we gone with a form tag, and we have seen like also get tag and like a post tag. What is like get tag and what is post tag? I yesterday say that for a simple like if you want to ask like simple thing for like user, that time we'll use this get tag. And if you want like more data from that client or something, that time we'll use this post method. That's it. That mentioning the method is very important in like HTML forms. And we have gone with the input tag. Like sometimes you should like enter your password, text, emails, mobile number. That time we can use this input tag. And here you can see some common examples, and even you can see that the syntax and some code also you can see. And after that we have discussed about like label tag. Actually today we have discussed about this label tag. What label tag will do? It will provide the name or caption for like, our like program. And we gone through the radio buttons, like what are the radio buttons. And we have gone with the checkbox. What is checkbox? And yeah, we have gone with that today select drop down method. And again we have gone with the text area. And here is the like output of all those stuff. And this is only like this is how we'll write a HTML like a code for like all those forms. Like what in the most of the website, like wherever we'll see the forms, now you should understand that using this HTML only how they have created this form. Fine. Again, this is all the output of like whatever forms we have written, and this is whole program like whatever we have written. Like initially, like this program, if some person, if they don't know any HTML program, if they come and see this program, they'll see like what we have written or something. Actually, this is all like a very simple program we have written. We can like break down into like very simple elements, and we can explain. Okay, this is all about for today's video. Today's in this video we have discussed about like yeah, like most of we discussed about the HTML forms. Okay, this is all about for today's video. If you have any doubts regarding like today's session or yesterday's session, like more, if you have any doubts regarding like from our like initial videos, you can comment in the comment sections, or else comment, you can just text in our like you can just DM in the Instagram, or you can contact us and you can clarify your doubts. Okay, this is all about for today's session, and we will see you all in the next session and next video. Fine, till that you just revise all the things, and this notes also in this all like PPT slides are there, no? These all notes will be provided in our like NapPy website. Just go with our website. If you didn't register still now, just register in our website, and in the notes section you will be getting these notes. Fine. And in the recorded session, we are uploading this all recorded videos also. Okay, this is all about for today's session. We'll just wind up the session for today, and we will see you all in the tomorrow session. Fine, this is all about for today's video.